Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unpivot data in Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here and click on Home of the top panel and then click on a Transform Data, okay? And from here, once your Power Query loads up, I want you to come here and click on a Transform and just choose any columns you want to unpivot data for. So let's say I want to do these ones. So I will hold Control on my keyboard and select city, state, country. Okay, if you want to add region, you can do that as well. And now you see this option, unpivot columns. We get different options. So you can unpivot basically all the columns. You can unpivot the other columns that are not selected or only the selected columns. So I'll do this one for only the selected columns. Just click on this and you'll see right here, it has unpivoted only the selected columns, as you can see right here. And it's really that easy and simple.